Okay. So hello, my name is Bathulah. So I represent from my team. So I gonna present the our coursework, which is a private tutor. Okay. So for this coursework, we hosted it online. You can see here, tutor segi work. So you just can serve this one, okay, online, and then it's protected by HTTPS. Okay. All right. So uh for this role we have three main role. Okay, so which is admin first, second is a tutor, third is a student. Okay, so we're gonna go to the admin side first. Okay, all right, so let's have 1 minute first. Okay, so we proceed with login. Okay, so this is a admin. Okay, this is the admin name is Aidil. Okay, so for this is the list of the what admin can do. Okay, so first we go to the student first. Okay, so let's try add new student. Let's go with okay Amazon. This is a fake email, and then this is a student ID. This is a student password. Okay, so you can see here, yep, new student created. Okay, and then we for this one is tutor. Okay, sorry, we go back to the student. I forgot to explain this. This card ID is referred to the student card ID. Right, for the student, this one is referred to tutor card ID. Okay, so we can add new tutor. For example, Miss Alia. Alia that's gmail.com. Uh, let's go with okay, it's a success. So we can see here Alia she's successfully created. Okay, so next we're gonna do allocation. So here we can have one student can have one tutor, and then one tutor can have multiple students. So this one we're gonna have a new allocation first. Let's try with Amazon and Mrs. Alia. Okay, all right. So you can see edit. Okay. So next function is a reallocate student uh, for their for their tutor. So for let's try for this one. Oh yeah, maybe I show this one. So you can see here. Let's try Michael and Miss Sarah. Yeah. So this is updated. Okay. So just now. Okay. So for this one is individual assignation. Okay. And for this one is a reallocate, which is update one. Okay. So next what gonna show is a bug upload. Okay. So for bug upload, what we do is we base on Excel, and then I'm gonna open the example Excel. So this is the Excel that example Excel that we're gonna upload. Okay. So this refer to tutor card ID, and then this one refer to tutor student card ID. So based on this one, we upload to the system, and system will automatically assign this student to their own tutor. Okay. So sorry. I need to update the Excel with the new value. Admin, you are a student. Okay, so let's go with Okay, so let's go to the tutor. Misalnya, this one can also have different tutor actually. Okay, so let's upload this one. Okay, go back to the upload. Okay, and then choose a file. Upload. Upload. Right, and then it's added. Yeah, this is the list of edit one. Okay, so next one is homework. Yeah, so but I'm gonna show you guys homework at the tutor side because I want to save time for this video. And then at here you can view all subject. Example, we want to add new subject, which is for example word history, and then the code is this one. Then we submit. So we have add new subject for the uh, for the tutor for the system. Okay, and then we have also have blog, and we also have chat. Okay, so for chat, they can chat like normally, but we have some lag here, which is it's not real time, and it's keep you need to refresh when new message sent. So this is ideal sent to the user. Okay, okay. For this one, we're gonna take this one. Sorry, maybe Hassan. Okay, Hassan. Hello, Hassan. Okay, so we're gonna go back to Hassan. Yeah. So this is a disadvantage. It's not real time, and you need to refresh, and you need to go click at the Hassan itself. Okay, and then I can show you two-way communication later. All right. So now let's go to view all dashboard for all user. So for this one, admin can view the dashboard of the student. So this is a student, and also admin can view the dashboard of the tutor. So this is a dashboard for the tutor. Okay, this is a tutor Abu, and this is a Abu class, which is Abu gonna attend this class and teach a student. And then for the student, you can see this is the dashboard for the student. You can see this is a class that student need to attend, and for this one is a student tutor. So the student have two tutors, which is one is Mr. Z and another one is Makcik. Okay, right. Okay, so next one is let's see homework. I'm gonna show you guys on the tutor side, and but upload done. This one is done. This one is done. This one is done. This one is done. And then chat and then blog. Okay. So chat I just show you guys, but later on I will show you the two-way communication. So for this one, we can add new blog, and for example, let's say this blog is how to stay healthy. Okay, this is how to stay healthy. 5 ways to stay healthy. This is the content of the blog. Okay, and we submit it. Okay, so you can see the Aidil gonna be the tutor. So basically the blog can be created by tutor and the admin. So you can see this is this one. This is a topic, and this is when the blog created, and then this is the content. And then actually you can comment here. For example, this is great article. This is your comment on yourself, but actually you can also comment from the other from the other user. Okay, this is great article. Okay, so blog done, chat done, and yeah, for sure I'm going to show you guys later on the two-way communication. View all subject done, view dashboard done, but upload done, homework. Yeah, for homework I'm going to show you guys at the tutor side. I'm gonna save time a little bit for this video, and view also an action done, view all tutor done, view all student done. Okay, so for this dashboard, it refer to this dashboard, view dashboard all user, but for this one, for sure, admin don't have a class to attend because this uh, admin, so it's not tutor. So admin gonna manage all the student and tutor. So let's go next with the tutor. So let's try with tutor Zach. Let me tap. Mm, okay. All right. So for this one, this is a tutor. So basically, tutor can also chat. Tutor can also have blog. So for example, I'm gonna show blog first is how to score in math, for example. Five, we got 7 ways to score in math. All right. So it's here. Yeah. So you can see this is auto from to Z how to score in math. Okay. So this one also it can be commented from the other person. So let's adding uh this is this advice, for example. Will read. Okay. All right. So you can see this is comment from Mr. Zach. This is coming from Aidil for the article of how to stay healthy, and the author is the Aidil for this blog. Okay. Okay. Let's go back. Yeah. For the blog, everyone can tutor and admin can create it, and the student also actually can read it and comment it. And then here we have a list of students that belongs to this private tutor, only for this private tutor, which is Mr. Z. And then this is a list of tutor that so that Mr. Z know who is his friends for the tutor. And then this is a view all class reservation. So you can view all the class here. Okay, and this one is attend class is it show who need to attend this class. Okay, I will show you. Sorry, this one. Yeah, I will show you guys later how. Okay, first let's try reserve new class first. Okay, so classroom. This is a classroom. So this is a classroom name. Don't be confused. Okay. So for example, Hang Lucky is a classroom name. It's a Z. So only him can reserve his class. So he cannot reserve on behalf of the others. Okay, let's take next switch date. Maybe 05 05 20 2020. Sorry. Oh, I think it's sorry. I'm gonna show here. And then okay, so for class type non-virtual and virtual. So for the virtual is an online class actually. For non-virtual is a physical class which is a student need to go to the class physically, not online class. So we do the non-virtual first. I mean, okay. So you can see this is as you guys remember, we order for 5 May. This is 5 May. So this one is 2 o'clock until 3 o'clock. Okay. Okay. So you can see here view detail. Okay. So this one is to send the email notification to all of the student, and this one is if the video uploaded uh, by the uh, by the tutor. So tutor also can add new video actually. So I'm gonna choose I'm gonna choose a lightweight video, but this is not supported for very uh, very heavy video. This is support. Let's try download some new sample video. Uh, Simple short video. Mm, let's see, 1 minute video. 1 minute video. Download. Oh, okay. So basically, I need to upload this video. Okay, so this one I will show you guys later on. But this one is for the tutor to upload the video, and then this one is for virtual class. So for virtual class, tutor admin gonna paste the links here so that the student can later on view the just click the link and then go to the virtual class. But this one, the virtual class is not hosted in us. It can be hosted in anywhere. So it's like it can be hosted like in YouTube, in Facebook, or in other social media platform. So we do not support the online class at our system, but we provide the link here so that the student can redirect it to there. Okay. All right. So this one is for send email notification. You can see. So you're gonna take the time for send email notification, and I'm gonna log into the one of the. Let's see. Uh, one, two. So as you can see, this is sorry. Let's go to 0 minute ago. Okay, your class we start on 10 April at 9 a.m. 12 a.m. at kelas Hang Tuah. Okay, so sorry for this one. This is a very basic template. I'm sorry for this, but this is the functional is working. It show that our class will happen at this time. Okay, so let's go next. Chat block view of student, view of tutor, and then we're gonna decide we're gonna attend a class. So for this one, it will only show the class that belongs to this tutor. And as you can see, this is the difference between this list and that list just now is this one is show all the all the all the class including the other tutor, and for this one it's gonna show his class only. So we're gonna put this one, and then we're gonna assign which student need to attend the class. Yeah, so just assign all, for example. Okay, yeah, so all of the students need to attend this class that we just created. Okay, so let's check this later. We should tell you guys block is done, view all student is done, view all tutor is done, view all class celebration is done, and attend class is done. Okay, so sorry to mention this one. This one is the dashboard for the tutor. Okay, so you can see just now we booked for the class 5 May at start 2 p.m. until 3 p.m. Okay, so this one is the list of student for Mr. Z. Okay, so let's go to the student. For the student, we should have um, Okay. So for this student, Sarah, we have, you can see here. Yeah, this is the example. Okay. So this student have a virtual class. So we need to see the detail, and then this is if the tutor upload the video, then they can see the any video that related to this class and topic of the class. This is a example, and all of the outsource which external link gonna be placed here, and then the student gonna click it, and then it gonna go to the another online another web, which can be like live Facebook or live Skype or live Zoom or live YouTube, that for the class online class. Okay. So for the student, not much activity. So basically, the student can know what the class he have. Okay, right, and then the student can have chat, and then can have blog. For this one, student can read a blog. Yep. So this is a blog that created by admin just now. So let's go back, and for this one, this is the blog that this created by the Mr. Zack, which is the tutor. So for this chat, okay, so now I'm going to show you the two-way communication of the chat. Okay, so for this one is Sarah, and then we're going to chat with Aidil. Okay, hello, Mr. Aidil. I'm a new student. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we're going to go to the Aidil. So we're going to open the other browser so that the user can still, that the sessions can still be maintained. Okay, so we're going to go to the tutor.segiwork.com. Sure. Aidil 659@gmail.com. QWR1234. Alright, so we're gonna have chat here. Alright, so let's find Sarah. Yeah, no. Oh, sorry. This one, this is student. Sarah, I miss Miss Sarah is a tutor. Sarah is a student. So this is a message sent by Sarah just now. Okay. So yes, I did it here. And then you guys need to click back the Sarah. Sorry. Yeah. And if you guys can see here, if I refresh this one. Yeah. So this one by Aidil. Hello, Mr. Sorry. Yeah. Says two-way communication. Yeah. So this one. Hello, Mr. Aidil. I'm a new student. Yes, Aidil. Yeah. Okay. That's it. So this is all the so this is all the presentation. This is all the our system. Okay. So for our weakness of the system, yeah, uh, it's not fully finished yet actually. But we really spend our time and most of our commitment to this coursework. Okay. So we really make an effort to finish this, even though it's not complete as a overall. Okay. So yeah, we have a lot of time spent on this project, and also we are committed to other works also. So we are super busy, and now also coronavirus lockdown. So yeah, a little bit sad for this year. So this is it. This is our presentation for this coursework. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.